Alright, so we're doing the first little official, so this was for the wifey. I'm not gonna drink this. Maybe I'll try it since she's making it, but spinach. And the banana blueberry shake. Smoothie. And
you can have it's spinach, blueberry, banana, and some water.
And you can, I think,
2 cups of spinach.
I think what she's saying on this whole deal is this is like an energy drink alternative. Because I gotta have the coffee or I gotta have the energy drink. And the energy drink's a gang of sugar and a whole bunch of other bad stuff in there. But coffee, I can never really get into coffee. So I've talked about it before. This stuff's pretty damn good though. I can drink this. But she's gonna hook this up and we're gonna make this into something and we're gonna give you a little review.
I gotta see how much this serving.
Alright, so 2 cups she's going with the spinach. With the spinachi. 1 banana.
Some blueberries. That's pretty good. It's like, it tastes like a grape, sort of.
I'm gonna put some water, like 3/4 cup of water.
2 cups spinachi. 1 cup of water.
3/4.
3/4 a cup of water. Okay. So you're gonna blend that first before you put the fruit in?
Yes.
No sugar?
No.
Okay. Alright, so this disclaimer, this is not a juicer. So this is a blender. Pretty decent blender at that, but it's a blender. But you can go get your own little juicer if you want to make some juice. Or you can just use your blender. You know?
It's gonna be a smoothie, really.
Smoothie, more than a juicy.
Yeah.
So banana in there, spinach. Just going with 2 cups of spinach. 1 whole banana.
Yes.
1 cup over a cup of blueberries, or a cup of blueberries. Cup of blueberries.
Yeah,
and some ice. How much ice did it say? Handful of ice. Probably just a couple cubes or something, right? Oh, that's a lot of ice. There you go.
The ice is for the smoothie to be chill, because you can freeze the blueberries for it to be chill. Since ours is not frozen, I'll put in ice. Okay, let's see if this works.
Look good?
Yes, it's good.
It's actually pretty good. I don't even taste the spinach in it. Not that spinach is bad anyways. Pretty good there. So this is supposed to give you energy? It's supposed to give you like wings, like Red Bull?
Yes.
I'm still drinking my coffee.